Hi, welcome to Testing Guruji. What you want will be here with Suraj Bhosle, and today we are going to see the why to use close and quit method in Selenium WebDriver. So let's see it. Why to use close or quit method if the automation process opens only a single browser window. The close and quit commands work in the same way, but both will differ in their functionality when there are more than one browser window open during automation. So difference between close and quit method. So in close method is a WebDriver command which closes the browser window which is currently in focus, and in quit method it is a WebDriver command which calls the driver.dispose method, which in turn closes all the browser windows and terminates the WebDriver session. So if we do not use quit as the end of the program, the WebDriver session will not be closed properly and the files will not be cleared of memory. So this may result in memory leak errors. Let's see the practical example of a close and quit method in Eclipse with the help of a Selenium WebDriver. So let's create one Java class and new and select class and name the class as dispose and click on finish. So delete this and use web system.set property and paste the path of the Chrome driver.exe and let's begin. So our scenario is to go in Google and type QA Fox Selenium practice, and where we are going to see the example and click on the real-time website to practice Selenium, and the main window opens and see carefully below. So we have to click on the click here link so that e-commerce demo site will open, which is the child window. So we have a both main window and child window. With the help of a close method, the main window will not close properly and the child window remains open. So let's see. So first of all, we have to copy the URL of the main window, and in the driver.get method use the get method. You can also use the navigate method and paste the URL in this method. So next we have to use the driver.find element. You can see the find element and find elements two method. Find elements are used to find the element which is more than one element on the browser, and find element are used to find the single element on the browser. So I have to click on the single element, so I will go with find element. So let's inspect the click here XPath locator. I will go with XPath and paste it here, and I will use the .click method because I have to click on the link. So I will use the thread.sleep and wait it for 10 seconds so that we can able to see the operation carefully. So first we will take the driver.close method. So I will also use the driver.manage.window.maximize so that the browser get maximized completely. So run as Java application. So see carefully main window opens successfully. Child window opens. Wait it and see it. You can see that the main window closed, but the child window remains open with the use of the close method. So now try the next method, which is quit method. So let's run as Java application. Now you can see that the main window and the child window both closed with the help of a quit method. So we can able to see the practical demo. So thank you for watching video.